Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the new Leatherman Free, and this is the T2. And this feels like it's Leatherman's attempt to get into the Swiss Army knife market, where they're getting away from, this is an attempt to get into the market that has been fairly dominated by Swiss Army knives for forever. So let's take a look at this thing. What is multi-purpose? We prepare people to solve problems, blah blah blah, and then the same thing in Spanish. Okay, let's take a look at this. So, durable yet strong, magnetic architecture. The core of the Leatherman Free series is magnets. This is what got me to order this, by the way. It had magnets. And easy to use. Access tools with simple push of your thumb. Say goodbye to broken fingernails. Okay, well then I may not need my knife opener. All locking features made in the USA. Cool. Alright, let's open this thing up and take a look at it. I gotta tell you that the first thing when I saw this that I thought was, I found it troubling that they trademarked the word free. It just struck me as a little weird. Maybe that's just me. Alright. So, it's a decent sized thing. Feels pretty solid. Okay. So, thank you for buying a genuine Leatherman. Made in our Portland, blah blah blah. How to use it. Okay. Push down with thumb. Push down with thumb. And then this is a release. So let's see. Alright. Let's try this out. It's supposed to be one-hand operatable. Well, that's awkward to do. It's doable. You can close it one-handed. Alright, so the problem I'm seeing is, yes, you can conceivably use these one-handed, but I don't know how you just thumb one of these little nubs. You see these little nubs right here? They're all together, and like the knife is separate, and I can... Actually, I can't do that nub at all. But okay, the knife I'd say is reasonably openable and closable, openable and closable, one-handed. And I think if you use this a decent amount, it would get way less awkward. But man. I wonder if you can loosen it up a little bit. Maybe loosen that. I don't know. Let's check out the other tools. Okay. So our other tools are... You got a flathead screwdriver. And this is sort of a... It's got a little wedge to it. So you can maybe use it as a pry bar. It's pretty thick. I mean, it's decent thickness. You've got the Phillips head screwdriver, a flattened version of one, and you've got your bottle opener. And I will forgive this particular knife for having a bottle opener, because they're trying to take the niche of the Swiss Army knife, and I'll give it to them for trying that. I mean, like they can legitimately claim to need a bottle opener. And the last tool that I'm having difficulty getting out is an awl. Of the possible tools, I had to think to not say of all the possible tools, but of the possible tools that I would like to see on this, I don't think an awl is one of them. I think I'd rather have something different. Alright, and are there any scale tools? Are there supposed to be any scale tools? Am I missing some scale tools? Y'all don't see any anywhere, do you? Are there some scale tools? Doesn't look like it. Huh. I don't know. Yeah, I don't see any scale tools. I hate to miss them if it's got them. Anyway, so aside from the neatness of magnets, and I mean it feels pretty solid, but I just don't. I mean, the one-handed opening thing, it's not super amazing. You can do it with a knife, probably better with practice. The problem is, let's compare. This is a Benchmade bug out. One hand opening. There's zero struggle for that one. And this looks super awkward. And like maybe there's a trick to it. Maybe I gotta get a grip on it. I think I used two hands for that one. I sort of cheated. So, yeah. I like the attempt. I don't know if it's going to replace the Swiss Army knives. I'm not feeling it. I tell you what, though. I think that the people out there in the world that feel about Leathermans the way I feel about Swiss Army knives, they're going to love this. But I don't know if it doesn't seem like they've beaten them yet. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. And do you think that this Leatherman is going to dethrone the Swiss Army knives? Or do they have a ways to go yet? Also, if you have any suggestions or questions for anything that I should look at, let me know in the comments. And I'll include a link in the description for this on Amazon if you want to check it out. I think it runs about 40 bucks. And aside from them trademarking the word free, I mean, it seems like a solid tool. I just don't know. It's not going to replace my Swiss Army knife, that's for sure. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.